how to turn off email, newsletters, notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off email, newsletters, notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click this one profile, and then click this three lines in top corner, and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find push notifications. Click on it and then just click scroll down and click email notifications, and here you will find newsletters. Here all you need to do is just click on it, turn it off, and then go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.